Hey everyone, so over here I have got two ESR cases for iPad Pros, okay? And firstly I'll explain about this case, and I'll also tell you which one to buy and which one is better amongst these both cases, okay? So both are from the brand ESR, and the first one looks like this. You can see this has got a black matte kind of finish to it, and it looks like this, okay? And over here you need to open it like this, and over here you can place your Apple Pencil, and this is foldable. You can fold it backwards or front like this, okay? And you need to open it like this, and you need to open this like this, and it will get opened. And the problem with this case is I have faced it many times, okay? For nearly 2 to 3 times I have experienced with this case is when I'm doing some work on this case, you need to fold it like this, okay? So when you're doing any work, you need to fold it like this. And when I'm doing something on this case or iPad, it literally fell down for nearly 2 to 3 times. It literally fell down like this when I'm working on this, okay? So that's why I won't suggest this case, okay? So please don't go with this case, okay? It's not sturdy enough at all, okay? And over here I have got this flat surface, but while I was doing work on my bed, it literally fell down, guys, okay? And I'll show you this one. So we'll just open it like this, okay? Let's keep this aside, and I'll show you this one. So this is how this case looks, and this one has costed me, the first one has costed me around 2000 rupees, okay? Even though it has costed me 2000 rupees, it doesn't give any sort of protection, okay? And this one has costed me around 2300 something, but this is my iPad Pro 2020 case, okay? It's also compatible with the 2021, but except for the part of speaker grills, okay? Except this speaker grills placement, all the except rest of the things are similar to this, okay? iPad Pro 2020 and iPad Pro 2021 are similar, except this speaker grills placement, okay? So this case is compatible with my iPad Pro 2021 also, okay? And previously I have owned iPad Pro 2020. I have purchased it from OLX. I have also done an unboxing video. If you're interested, you can check it out. So this is how this case looks, guys. And over here you can see this case has got 4 sides protection, okay? You can literally see it has got this protection on 4 sides, whereas on that case it doesn't have any protection. You can literally see it doesn't have any protection. If you close it, you can it will get protected on this side, and if you close this one, and it will get this protected, okay? But it's not sturdy enough, okay? This is sturdy enough, guys. I'll show you, okay? So I'll just remove this iPad from this. You can literally remove this like this, okay? You can see there is nothing protected over here, and over here I'll just insert it on this, and be careful while inserting, okay? So you can see it has got inserted, and this is how it looks, and 4 sides are protected on this case, okay? So both are from ESR brand, but I like this one more than that one. And also on the back side you will get to see here, see how it looks. Even though you place it like this on a flat surface or on your bed, it doesn't fall out, okay? I mean, it doesn't fall off. You can literally see it won't fall off at all, okay? I have already tried, and for this you will get this Apple Pencil. You can put your Apple Pencil over here, but whereas on this you need to place your Apple Pencil over here, okay? So for people who are searching for cases for iPad Pro 2021 or 2020 also, I would just suggest go with this sort of cases. And currently on Amazon this one is unavailable, so when it's available I'll definitely share the link, okay? I mean, for 11-inch iPads it's currently unavailable, but for 12.9-inch iPads it's available. Okay, I'll share the link in the description box. You can check it out if you have a 12.9-inch iPad. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Thank you.